The charm of historic Tampa Bay homes is real, but they hide a dangerous secret beneath their floors. Did you know up to half the air you breathe inside comes directly from your crawl space? That musty odor isn't just old house smell. It's a warning sign circulating through your home's vents. And what you're smelling is linked to allergies, asthma, chronic fatigue, and persistent sinus infections. We'll show why older Tampa homes are a perfect storm for mold, the real dangers, and the right way to fix it. The first issue is our climate. Florida's humidity stays over 70%, but mold needs only 60% to thrive. Our low ground and high water table mean moisture constantly pushes against your home's foundation. With this much water, mold growth isn't slow. It can begin in as little as 24 to 48 hours. But if every home in the region faces this climate, why are older homes uniquely facing a crawl space disaster? Their foundations have had decades to settle. This creates tiny cracks and gaps, direct highways for moisture to enter. So, we have constant moisture outside and an aging foundation letting it in. How does this take over the entire house? It's driven by a powerful force called the stack effect. As warm air rises, it creates a vacuum below. This suction actively pulls air up from the crawl space, a constant upward current carrying mold spores and dampness. Your home's natural airflow becomes the delivery system for contaminants. It's an invisible invasion, happening 24/7. This is why older homes are defenseless. They were built without a vapor barrier, a key shield against ground moisture. This process explains that musty smell. You're breathing the gases released by mold, called MVOCs, as they're pulled up from below. This isn't just a theory. The consequences are physical. Let's examine the real damage to your health and home. Allergies are just the start. Doctors connect long-term mold exposure to chronic respiratory issues and severe fatigue. Children, the elderly, and anyone with a weaker immune system are at the highest risk for a major health crisis. While it harms your health, it is also consuming your house. This moisture causes wood rot, weakening your floor joists. Those bouncy spots in the floor or sagging in a hallway? That isn't normal settling. It's a sign of structural failure. And where there's moisture and rotting wood, pests follow. Termites and cockroaches thrive in these damp spaces. Myth 1. My crawl space needs to breathe. Wrong. Open vents just invite in humid air, making the problem worse. Myth 2. I can just spray it with bleach. Bleach won't kill the roots in wood. The mold always grows back. Myth 3. I'll save money and do it myself. Without containment, you can spread spores through your entire house. Another complication is old insulation. Deteriorating fiberglass acts like a sponge, holding moisture against your floorboards. If the common solutions are wrong, what is the right way to protect your home? The answer isn't cleaning. It's control. Let's connect the pieces. Florida's high humidity flows into outdated open vents, a design flaw that creates a terrarium. Now consider the real cost of waiting. That wood rot isn't just an eyesore. It's a potential $30,000 repair bill. And the biggest financial impact? Your property value. Florida law requires you to disclose mold, which can cut your home's value by 37%. It's a devastating financial cascade. Structural repairs, high energy bills, and a massive loss in home equity. Waiting is the most expensive choice. The professional solution starts with diagnosis. Technicians use thermal imaging and moisture meters to find hidden water sources. True remediation isn't just killing mold. It's a system. Sealing vents, installing a vapor barrier, and adding a dehumidifier. Because of Florida's climate and the unique build of our older homes, crawl space mold is a specialized problem that needs a modern fix. Don't let a hidden issue damage your family's health and your most valuable asset. Protect your home. Control the air you breathe.